Hi guys, today this videos we're going to review our
we don't have a lot of power.
Our new cars that we just bought 3 weeks ago. What is the name of this car, Daddy? Volkswagen. So now we're going to show you. We're going to review the Volkswagens for you guys. Let's watch this. Alright, this is the Volkswagen 2024. Yan guys. Oh, sorry. Plate number. Yan. Yan. Meron siyang.
Why didn't you, Alyssa, why didn't you bring any toys or something for them?
They have.
Okay.
They have, see? They have another extra seaters over here in the back. Yan, pwede mo siyang iangat ulit siya para another 3 people in the back. Tapos kung ano naman, pwede nyo gawing trunk pag magta-travel, ganyan. Ayan siya guys. So, ayan.
Puppies.
Volkswagen, let's go. Ayan siya. Volkswagen.
Put the seat in there for me.
Ha? Extra natin yung ating car. Wow. Ang ganda niya guys. Kasi talagang what is that?
Towing and I gotta go get that fixed.
Yeah.
You come in on one level.
You opened it up? Charge other stuff.
It's a little bit cheaper because it didn't have the cargo cover.
Right.
Yeah. That's not important to me.
It didn't have the rear cargo
Actually,
cover.
well, I say not even that's what important because I usually buy WeatherTech. You know.
Well, these are all weather formats.
Oh, they are.
They're not WeatherTech, so they don't like come up.
You
on
know
the side.
WeatherTech, right?
I do know WeatherTech. Yeah.
There's some good mats, man.
Hey, they're the best mats out there.
I was almost gonna tell you to take them off, but that would have been too much trouble to just say take these off.
I mean, did you want me to just put these to the side, or did you? If you're gonna do the WeatherTech, it's totally up to you.
Well, I need something in there now because I don't want to mess
Right.
the carpet.
Cool. So yeah, I'm gonna put them. I'm put them in there now for you.
Yeah. And I would think I could figure out the rest of it. Just put the front mats. So you don't have to put in